Run things just laugh off a dead sound. Cause we play original song from head top to shoe stung we can't done. Run things, yo! Father Lonesome, how? Wayne Lonesome Jr., Mama Angie, she not in a no hanky panky. And the run things sound is beat them, how? Yeah! Can't say me never did I warn you. Now run things kill you. Sound boy is only coffee can't fit you. Come on, day. Now trouble take your Lord of God. Big me shut it I go fit you. Come on, day. Run things sound kill you. Only coffee can't hold you. Aha, ye. I just love how the run things sound keep killing. Keep killing. At a reggae-matical style, them a flash till the morning. On the rhythm, with a little of this and a little of that. Listen my voice through the tweeter box. Sound sweeter with an echo chamber. Run things sound, we are the danger. Temper, wanna get the run things sound in a temper. Come on, die. Coma, some of that sound boy die in a coma. Aha, ye. I just love how the run things sound keep killing, keep killing. Hey, it give me the vibes in the dance like every time. Come on, die. Rump with a joke, we cut some throat. Skin with no grin, we clip them wing. You listen run things, you're gonna get everything. You got to be conscious in this world you live in. Don't know which sound guy is watching. Run things sound, we are carry the swing. Temper, wanna get the run things sound in a temper. Come on, die. Coma, some other sound boy die